Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete all your history search on your Google Chrome. When you search anything on your browser, the browser will store your search on history. When someone want to check you are searching, what do you search on Google Chrome or internet, they can find all your search. If you want to delete this story, you can delete this story permanently. If you want to delete, then keep watching. For deleting your search story on internet, come to Google Chrome or open your Google Chrome. Then here we have three dots. Look, click on three dots. When you click on three dots, we can see here history. Look, here is history. Click on history. When you search anything on internet, the browser will capture this search. Now, if you want to delete this search, you can clear all of them. For clear your browsing, click here, clear browsing data. Guys, before deleting, please like this video and share this video. If you are new, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Now, click here, all item or something else. Here we have one drop down. When you click, you can delete just last hour browsing. You can delete last 24-hour browsing, and also you can delete all of them. I recommend delete all of them. Click here, delete all of them. When I search from 1 month ago or 1 year ago, I can clear all of them. Then click here, clear data. Now click on clear. Look, you successfully remove all your browsing search on internet. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Don't forget to like this video. Have a good day. See you soon.